guys, it's Debbie and I'm going to be working on an acrylic painting. This is on watercolor paper. So I put just got a thin layer of paint on here. It's really absorbing in already. Anyways, I thought it would make it move a little smoother. So, ooh, looks like I'm moving you again. Okay, so I'm just going to put a bunch of color on and then try to pull it all together. So that's the plan. So these, I have so many old paints I'm using up. So there might not be anything good in there. Jeez, I didn't know it was this bad. And I've chosen a bunch of these to use up. Okay, well. Gonna make it work. Okay, so I have a bit of an idea of what I'm going to do, but I really don't have it all. Definitely don't have it all planned out. In fact, I may not even have, hopefully I have the colors sitting here I want to use. I'm just going to put down like a background for now, and then at some point I'll start pulling it all together. Sometimes this is a good way to help if you are stuck and you don't know what to do. Sometimes you can just let it speak to you, and it, meaning the painting, let it tell you what it wants. So sometimes that's, you know, what it wants by the way it's pulling together. If I can get a little bit more out there, bring that over a little bit. Oops. This stuff's really dried up. I'll have to put it in something. I mean, I'm mixing it with some water or gloss medium, something like that maybe. Okay. I'm using all kinds of paints. And I'm just mostly using my hand. Right now I am. Anyways. Let's see. All kinds of different types of paints. I have a little bit of white I have thinned down from a pour near me that does not have any silicone in it. Oops. Thought I brought some black over here, but I guess I didn't. So I'll just use brown. Technically, you could just take about any of your leftover colors and just try, you know, set them out and see what, and it might not turn out, and it might turn out. You never know. Now you could use you could use anything. You could use a credit card to do the whole thing. Palette knife. Wonder if I can scratch in right there. I looked up the other day, I was making a video. It's very frustrating. You look up because you're concentrating on the painting and you look up and it's quit. It wants to pull off where I touched, so I gotta be more careful. Alright, so now what am I gonna do with that middle part? I am going to grab some black right here. I can stick in there. Oh. Sorry about that. Just want to put a little bit of an outline line on there. I don't think I like that too much. Well, let's try. I'm just testing to see what I like here, what I don't like. Ooh. Well, I guess that wants to be in here, so we'll work around it. I'm just going to dip the end of this into this acrylic paint here. There you go, guys. I think I'm done. It's pretty quick and easy. It's an easy way to get past. You know what I think, though? I think I want to scribble something in there before I call it completely done. Now it's done. Okay, guys. Now it is done. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, there you go. Try to get that light off it. Anyways, I want to thank you so much for stopping by. And if you enjoy and want more, please hit like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.